Okay, guys, today we're going to talk about the daily routines. Number one, it's alarm goes off. Can you see these words? Alarm goes off to wake up. Look at the clock in the morning, it's 7 o'clock. To get up, to take a shower, or to have a shower. Pay attention to this one. If you wash your body, when you stand, we say take a shower or have a shower. But if you lie in a tube or a bath, we say to take a bath or to have a bath. Next one, to put on makeup to make your face looks beautiful. To put on makeup, to shave, to wash your hair, to dry your hair, to iron a shirt. Remember iron. Iron Man iron. To iron a shirt, to get dressed, to brush your teeth, to wash your face, to brush your hair, to make the bed, to have breakfast or to eat breakfast. We can use both of these words to do housework, to leave the house, to go to work, to go to school, to catch the train, to catch the bus, to drive, to arrive late, to start work, to have a break, or we can say tea break, to eat lunch, to finish work, to leave work. You leave your work, you leave your office, you go home, to work overtime, to go home, to buy groceries, to cook dinner, to have dinner or to eat dinner, to clear the table, to listen to the radio, to watch TV, to check your emails, to have tea or to have coffee, to drink tea or to drink coffee, to do the dishes, or you can say to wash the dishes, to walk the dog, to read a newspaper, to go out with friends, to go to a cafe, to call a friend or to call your family, to do homework, to put the children to bed, to take out the rubbish, to take out the rubbish, it's UK, to feed the dog or to feed the cat, to go to bed. All right, guys, that's it. This is today's daily routines. Next time, we're going to talk about number 5, describing things, facts. All right? I hope you have a good time. Peace, guys.